Yes, we're going to Hearst Castle. We're going to tour it. It's like all the way back on the coast. So we got like an hour and a half grand rooms tour. So interested to see what this is all about. See ya. We arrived at the Hearst Castle Visitor Center, and now we're waiting for our shuttle to take us to the top of the mountain.
Have a lovely time. Take care. Hopefully you guys
Thank you.
travel here. No problem.
William inherited this land he had loved nearly all his life, and immediately learned.
But we are here.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Laurel, and I'll be your guide. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the Hearst San Simeon State Historical Monument. We're going to be together for about 70 minutes on the Grand Rooms tour. Today we'll be exploring the estate of William Randolph Hearst. We are a California state park. We're also an accredited art museum. The more time I spend up here, the more I'm finding that joy is really at the heart of this project. For William Randolph Hearst, he found great enjoyment in the process of creating this estate. That went on for 28 years, and he never finished it. So today I'm going to share a little bit of that with you. And we'll get started from up on the West Terrace.
Wow. Smell the roses.
Collected? Oh, that's a great question. So, yeah, that's a fantastic question. The majority of the art that we have at the estate, he's purchasing during the period of construction. He's a lifelong art collector, but you see him really ramping it up, and there's probably a couple of reasons for that. He's just come into his family fortune, but also it's a unique time to be an American. Yeah, the ketchup and mustard catch people's eye because it's kind of an interesting juxtaposition of the space, right? William Randolph Hearst is reminding folks that you're at his branch, or you're at his.
How do you acquire that before you design the room?
Wasn't she saying you got
Oh, yeah.
And I guess he bought that big mantle and was like,
So this is underneath the tennis courts where we're going now. Is that gold? Looks like gold.
The foundation at Hearst Castle will have some charity events when they.
So we just ate at this Lynn's restaurant on the corner. It was quite good. We both had soup and salad. Very nice place. Pretty good wait, very popular. So we're just hanging out in the town of Cambria, not sure how to pronounce it, until we pick up our bus in about 30 minutes. That's the Grim Reaper. He's pretty scary.
He's moving, or she's moving, I should say.
Yeah, that's impressive.
That is impressive.
So we just got off the bus. We're in Tin City, and we're gonna stop at Tin City Cider. Actually, friendship benefits. This is a map. You can't read it, but it's just full of wineries and beereries. All right, so now we're going to the Barrel House Brewing Company. Really nice vibe at this brewery. All right, we're just getting back from our day. We've been gone all day. Let's see if Frodo's happy to see us.
Hi, baby.
Hey, Frodo. Okay. Yeah. What do you do now? What do you do now? Just run in circles. Just run in circles.
Hey, baby. Oh, yeah, you got your bone.
This is the Paso Cellars Vineyard. This is just outside of Paso Robles.
Okay.
All right, so we left Castoro, and now we drove like 2 miles down the road, and we are at Firestone Walker,
Brewing Company.
a brewing company. But sorry, I'm not gonna take y'all inside. Bye. All right, so today is our last day of the caravan, and we don't have any events scheduled except for the dinner tonight. So we kind of had a lazy morning, had a late breakfast in the camper. We've driven over to Lawrence Larrymore Neighborhood Park in the city of Paso Robles, and there is a 2-mile hiking trail. So we're gonna figure it out and do that for today. Okay, check y'all later. We're on the rough, mountainous, hilly terrain. High risk factor, high skill factor, hiking trail. Oh, look, here's a sign. Since we're lost, maybe it'll tell us where we are. Yeah, that's not very helpful.
No, we don't read hieroglyphics.
Okay, this is advertised as the Salinas River Walk. And so they got these benches here where you can sit and watch the river. Unfortunately, I guess it's dry season here in California. So that's the river. It's the riverbed. It's a dry riverbed. You leading the way, Frodo? Huh? The trail has taken us to a busy metropolis. Another view of the riverbed. Nice little trail. Yeah, Frodo and I, we're just chilling in the park, downtown City Square. Paso Robles. Paso Robles. I need to ask ChatGPT how to spell it. There are two main pronunciations. Paso Robles. This is the most common local pronunciation in the Paso Robles area. Locals often say it quickly, almost like Paso Robles or Paso Robles. Paso Robles. This is closer to the original Spanish pronunciation, meaning Pass of the Oaks, El Paso de Robles. You'll hear this more often from visitors or people using the Spanish-style pronunciation. So, if you're in town and want to sound local, go Paso Robles. If you're feeling formal or speaking Spanish, Paso Robles. There you go. Is that cool, Frodo? How do you say it, Frodo? We had about a 4-mile walk. It was cool. It's our last day here. The weather's been amazing. All right, let's go find Mom. Let's go to the Goodwill store. Find her.
Right, Frodo? Ready to roll. Headed out, leaving Paso Robles.
Our Sipping Across California caravan has come to a conclusion. But we're not going home.
No. What are we doing, Robert?
We're going to head north, back up to where we came through on the path down to Napa. We're going to go back to Vacaville. And we're going to stay at an RV park for a month nearby our son's house, son and daughter-in-law's house. They are expecting a baby November 9th, which will be our first grandchild. So we're going to just spend the month with them and stay through Thanksgiving and then hit the road back to Texas.
Yes.
So really looking forward to that.
Yep, another adventure.
Yep. Never stayed at a place for a month, but we'll see what that's going to be like.
Yep. Living in an RV.
Yeah. Amazing. We found a place, apparently, hopefully it's a nice place so close to their house, so it'll be very convenient. But we got, I don't know, 250 miles-ish to get there. Oh, he just blew all these leaves up, but I'm going to go through them. Sorry, man. Really nothing I can do about that.
No. Okay. Here we go. Driving out. Lots of wineries here.
Lots of wineries. It was a
Yes.
lot more than I
Expected.
expected.
Yes.
I really hadn't heard about this wine region.
Right, I mean, because you're Napa,
Everybody
you
talks
know.
Napa.
Yeah, and Sonoma, yes. Who knew? Central Coast. All right.
All right, we have arrived at our destination for the day, and actually for the next 30 days. We're in Vacaville, just north of like 4 miles from where Zan and Olivia live. And the office is closed at the moment they're away, so we can't actually talk to them about checking in. Just wanted to get back out here to the road and show you what we missed coming in, because we were so focused on getting here we didn't even turn on the camera. Yeah. So we are here at the Vineyard RV Park. Yay. So they have a couple options to show us. If we're gonna be here a month, we need a site that we actually, you know, like a little bit, I guess. So they were gonna take us around on a golf cart and show us a couple options. And we'll pick our site, set up. See ya. So this is our home away from home for the next month. We're gonna be here. This is the Vineyard RV Park in Vacaville. So we just moved in today. We'll be here through Thanksgiving. So probably for the purposes of tracking our trip to the Grapes and Grains sipping across California, we're kind of done with that. That's over with. So probably won't be a whole lot of remaining videos on that. So we'll probably call it a wrap on that. And all right, thanks for following. Y'all take care. Bye.